Tropes, those familiar patterns in storytelling, are like well-worn paths in the forest of romance. Think of the exhilaration of forbidden love, the fiery passion of enemies becoming lovers, or the heartwarming journey of second chances. These tropes provide a comforting framework, a sense of familiarity that draws readers in. Instead, they are springboards for creativity, invitations to infuse freshness and originality into your love stories. Just as a skilled chef can transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece, a masterful storyteller can elevate familiar tropes into something truly extraordinary. By embracing the power of tropes and infusing them with your unique voice, you can create stories that linger in the minds and hearts of readers long after they turn the final page. Forbidden Love, a tale as old as time, continues to captivate readers with its potent blend of desire and danger. The allure lies in the tantalizing possibility of a love that dares to defy societal norms, family expectations, or even the boundaries of time itself. To breathe new life into this classic trope, consider delving deeper into the complexities of the characters and their circumstances. Instead of simply presenting external obstacles, explore the internal conflicts that torment your protagonists. By layering your characters with depth and authenticity, you can elevate the forbidden love trope beyond its surface appeal and create a story that truly resonates. This internal conflict, this struggle between duty and desire, adds a compelling layer to the forbidden love trope, making the character's journey all the more relatable and emotionally charged. The enemies to lovers trope, with its delicious blend of antagonism and attraction, offers a fertile ground for crafting a captivating romance. The key to success lies in crafting a believable and satisfying transition from animosity to love. Instead, allow the characters to clash, to challenge and provoke each other, gradually chipping away at the walls they've built around their hearts. Introduce moments of vulnerability, shared laughter, or unexpected acts of kindness that reveal the humanity beneath the surface animosity. As the characters navigate their complex feelings, the tension builds, creating a palpable sense of anticipation for the moment they finally succumb to the undeniable spark between them. Perhaps they bond over their love for animals, their hidden artistic talents, or their shared experiences of overcoming adversity. Second chance romances offer a poignant exploration of lost love, personal growth, and the enduring power of connection. To avoid rehashing the same mistakes of the past, it's crucial to showcase how your characters have evolved since their first love story unfolded. What life lessons have they learned? How have their experiences shaped their perspectives on love and relationships? As the characters reconnect, allow them to confront their past mistakes, forgive themselves and each other, and rediscover the enduring bond that first drew them together. Imagine two high school sweethearts, torn apart by an unexpected pregnancy and the pressures of their young lives. Years later, they meet again at their high school reunion, both single parents navigating the complexities of adulthood. Small-town romance, with its charming setting and close-knit community, offers a comforting escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. However, it's essential to avoid portraying small towns as idyllic utopias. Instead, embrace the complexities of small-town life, exploring the nuances of relationships, the weight of tradition, and the longing for something more that often simmers beneath the surface. Create characters with depth and agency, individuals grappling with their own dreams, secrets, and desires. By grounding your story in the realities of small-town life, you can craft a romance that feels both familiar and refreshingly authentic. As they bond over their shared love of food and their yearning for something more, they must confront their past heartaches and discover if their connection can blossom amidst the shifting tides of their lives. Romance in all its forms holds an enduring allure. It allows us to believe in the transformative power of love, the possibility of finding solace and connection in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. By embracing the power of tropes and infusing them with your unique voice, you can create stories that stay with readers long after they turn the final page. Embrace the familiar, infuse it with your own creative spark, and watch as your stories ignite the hearts and imaginations of readers everywhere.